how to fix credential manager error code in Windows 11 and Windows 10. And if you also face such type of error, to fix this issue, the first workaround is update your Windows OS. Open Windows settings and from the left pane go to Windows Update and download and install available update. If no any update available, click on check for updates and download and install Windows latest update and check whether your error is resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next workaround to fix this issue is check any corrupted file system in your Windows 11-10 system. Go to Windows search, type cmd and open command prompt Windows as administrator mode. And here execute the command sfc /scan now and press enter. It will check any corrupted files in your Windows system and repair them accordingly. It may be a cause of credential manager error code. The next workaround to fix this issue is go to services, Windows search, type services and open services windows. Here go to credential manager, double click on it and a startup type set as automatic, and if it is in a stop mode, start it and apply an OK button. That's all.